Hi friends, so now we are understand what is meant by number system and the type of number system which we are used in digital electronics. We familiar with decimal number system as we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 25 randomly in number in any digits, that number called as a decimal number. Generally for our financial purpose in financial transaction we are use decimal number system. So decimal number system again have two type. One is a integer decimal number and one is a fractional decimal number. Integer decimal number means, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, 50. These are the integer numbers. But the fractional number is nothing but which having point after that number. For example, 25.2 or 12.2, 2.0 or 2.1 and 1.1. These all are the fractional number, and the integer numbers are 1, 2, 13, 99, 25, etc. So what is the number system? Number system represented by capital N bracket, after that bracket there is a small b is equal to in bracket x0 comma x1 x2 xn minus 1. So capital N is nothing but the number and b is nothing but the base. I repeat, N is equal to number and b stands for base. For example, if I am right here 25 is a just number, but no need to write base, but we are right here base. So this 25 number, it belongs to decimal number system. If I write here 1010, so this is the binary number. Binary means 2, bi means 2. So I am just right here 2. So this 10 or this 2 is nothing but the small b, and this 25 or 1010 is nothing but the capital N. So in this way you have to understand the number system. See, we are given this tabular form information. There is a number system, there is a base, there is a number or the symbol which used in that number system, and this is the example. For example, decimal number system having the base 10, yes, and it use number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and last one is 9. So by the help of these numbers we can represent our number. By the help of these numbers we are represent our number. So this number is called as a decimal. Actually when we are write decimal number system, we not write the base 10, because by default we are use decimal number system. But in the case of digital electronics you always write the base of each number system. So next one is a binary. Binary means 2. We already say binary means 2. It use only 0 and 1. By the help of these two number they can represent their number. For example, here I am write 01 is a one number, 111 is a one number, or 1010, this is the one number. But these numbers are represented by only 0 and 1s. There is no any 2, 4, 8, 9, 7, no. Only by the help of 0 and 1 we can write our number. So that number is called as a binary number, or always we are write the base as a 2. Next is a octal. Octal base is a 8 and it used from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Above 7 this number system will not be used that number. Only we are use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and by the help of this number we can write our number, and after writing that number we are mentioning the base 8. So the last one is a hexadecimal. Hexa means 16. So this number system use 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. When this system want to show the number 10, they are not showing 10. At the place of 10 they can represent A. I repeat, when this number system, this hexadecimal number system want to represent number 10, they are not write number 10. At the place of 10 they are write A. So obviously if we want to write 11, we are not writing 11, we are writing B. So up to A, B, C, D and E, and the last one is F. F is nothing but the 15. So when we want to write 15 in hexadecimal number, we are not writing 15, we are write as a F. So I just explain you a few examples. See here, if I want to write 25, this is a 25, by default 25, and this is in a decimal number system, but I just want to write this 25 in binary. So binary means 2. So how do we write this 2? So see here, we are write first index 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Okay, and when we write 1, this 1, and there is a 1. See here, 16 plus 8, 24, and this plus 1 is equal to 25. So in this way we are write 25 in binary. In the same way, if we want to write 25 in hexadecimal, so the number is 11001. So consider this first nibble and this last nibble. So this 41001. So it is a 9. So it is a 9 and this is a 1. So 1916 is a hexadecimal. So this is the 25 in decimal, this 25 in binary, and this 25 in hexadecimal number system. So in this way you have to understand the different number system we are used in our digital electronics. Again, I just give one example. You have to, when you want to write your decimal number in a binary number, so first you have to write down index 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, up to what we have to want. If I want to write number 9 in decimal, I just convert into binary. So you have to just put ones and make the combination that addition will be 1. So if we write here 1 and we just write here 1, and another place index we are considered as a 0. So see here, 8 plus 1 is 9. So the number is 1001. So 1001 is the binary number of decimal number 9. So in this way you have to understand the different number system which we are used in digital electronics. See here, I just give some few different formats. Here see, bit, what is meant by bit? Bit is nothing but the one information or one number which is belongs to binary. For example, if I am say bit is nothing but the only one bit. Either this will be 0 or either this will be 1. So this is the 1 bit information. If we are making the combination of these zeros and 1, so it will be have different types. Next is a nibble. What is by nibble? If we are consider this 1010, there is a 4 bit. So the group of 4 bit is called as a 1 nibble. I repeat, the group of 4 bit is called as a 1 nibble. In case if we have 16 bit number, so we divide 16 by 4. So it is a 4 nibble. It is a 4 nibble. So I repeat, bit is nothing but the 0 or 1. Nibble is nothing but the group of 4 bit. Byte means group of 8 bit. It's called as a 1 byte. And next, and the last one is word. Word is nothing but the combination of 16 bit. The group of 16 bit is called as a 1 word. So these are the very basic fundamentals of number system which use in digital electronics. Now understand how to convert binary code into gray and gray code to binary. See here, this is the one number 1101. So we are take first number as it is to down 1 to 1. Then next first bit add with next bit, and addition of these two numbers we can write in downward. So 1 as it is 1, 1 plus 1 0. Then again 1 plus 0 1, and the next one 0 plus 1 1. We already know 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, and 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0 will be 0. Repeat, I just repeat, 1 to 1 as it is take 1, then 1 plus 1 it is 0, 1 plus 0 it is 1, 0 plus 1 it will be 1. Or take a next example. See here, if I am write 1 0 1 0 1. So first number as it is 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, or 0 plus 1 1. So the code will be 1 1 1 1 1. See, just again 1 is equal to 1 as it is 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1, and 0 plus 1 will be 1. In this way you have to convert your binary code to gray code. Again take one next example, 1 0 1 0 1 1. So here 1 as it is 1, then 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, and 1 plus 1 will be 0. So in this way you have to convert your binary code to gray code. The next one is how to convert gray code into binary. Gray code into binary. So see here, first number take as it is, then make addition of that as it is number with the next number. So see here, 1 as it is 1, 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 will be 0. So in this way you have to convert your gray code. See one example here. If I am write 1 0 1 1 0 1, so I take 1 as it is, then 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0. So my answer will be 0. So take first number as it is, then as it is number with the next number, make addition and take next number. So in this way you have to convert your number. See here, we know that this is our G code. So we are write G code 1 1 1 1 1 and write this number as it is, then make this addition of this number with the next number. So 1 plus 1 0, then 0 plus 1 1, then 1 plus 1 0, then 0 plus 1 1. So our number will be this binary code. This binary code or this binary code will be same. So first we have convert this binary code into gray code, and again gray code to binary code. So in this way you have to convert this binary code to gray code or gray code to binary code. Next one is the ones complement. Ones complement is very simple. Ones complement you have to just implement NOT gate. It is mean that if there is a 1, you have to convert that 1 into 0. This 0 you have to convert into 1. 1 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into 0. If there is a 0, you have to put as a 1. If there is a 1, you have to put as a 0. It's a simple way you have to implement ones complement. See here, for example, I am right here 1 1 0 0 1. So 1 as a 0, 1 as a 0, 0 as a 1, 0 as a 1, 1 as a 0. So in this way simply you have to convert your binary number into ones complement. So it is just for your more understanding purpose, I am write one more number here 1 1 0 1 0. So just write 0 0 1 0 1. In ones complement, just simply you have to make 1 in the form of 0 or 0 in the form of 1. So it will be convert ones complement. Next one is a twos complement. Actually there is a n number of techniques which we have to convert our binary code into twos complement. But the very simplest method I just want to explain you. See here, we are write 1 0 0 1 0 0. Actually this is the number, but actually we want to convert this 0 1 0 1 0 into twos complement. So you have to write first ones as it is. You have to write down first ones as it is. For example, we want to convert 1 0 0 1 0 0. So in this number, see here, this is the first one. So up to this first one you have to write number as it is. So I just write number as it is. Then remaining number you have to make as a ones complement. Ones complement means 0 ka 1, 0 ka 1 or 1 ka 0. So it is our twos complement number. Try to understand. I again explain you one more example. If you want to convert this number into twos complement. So see, we are coming from this side. So come from this side and see where is the first ones. So this is the one ones. So these are first ones. So write this number as it is up to this. So we are write 0, 0, 1. Okay. After that, remaining this number, you have to write 1's complement. So we are write 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is the 2's complement of this binary number. So in this way, you have to convert your binary code into 1's complement or your binary code into 2's complement. As an exam point of view, you maybe have question for 2 marks. Convert binary code into gray or gray code into binary, or you have to maybe question one. You have to convert your binary code into 1's complement or your binary code into 2's complement. So you have to prepare this both conversion and understand what is my binary code, what is my gray code. So this gray code, binary code, 1's complement or 2's complement, just only for encoding and decoding purpose, which is used in information process or data process system. So in this way you have to understand and prepare these different examples. Thank you.